Good evening. Welcome to .programming.com. This is my website. Today I'm talking about the custom login control in Windows Form application. So first of all, create a table in SQL Server 2014. I have a database and one table, that is admin table, inside in the database. So you can see expand the database node. The database is student underscore db is the name of database. That is, the single table is there, like dbo.admin. Right click and select top 1000 rows. In this table I have three columns, that is admin ID, username and passwords. Match username and password with the text fields which is already added in the Windows Form. So Windows Form, change the name of the Windows Form project is testing tutorial. Now add two label and the two text box, and also change the name and the text property. So change the label text property is user name, copy and paste it, same instance. Also change the ID property, is not required but change it for user friendly. So user text, see, same doing this control. Also change the property of the text box, that is user box, and pwd box. Okay, now add a simple button control, and also change the property text property of the button control is login. Button 1 replace with login. Now add AD.NET entity model, that is AD.NET entity data model. Change the model name, login model, EF designer from database. Change the database, that is the student DB is already created, but you can change by the new connection method. Oops, the server name is not there, so write the server name, local DB version 11.0, version 11.0, that is name of the server. Yeah, select the database name is student underscore DB. Test connection is succeed. Okay to click. Yeah, the save connection setting is application.config file. student underscore DB entities. Here is the database name is student DB, so click to next. Select entity framework 5.0. Also select the table. Yeah, that is here. Click to finish button. Now your entity framework is added into the file, into the solution, or you can say project, in which we have two files, that is the data context file, and one file is a model file, that is the contain the records, or you can say entities of the database field names. Okay, yeah, that is admin ID, username and passwords. Okay, in the solution explorer I have two classes, the data context class, through which we can retrieve the all values. Student DB entities is a class name, and the one property is admins, admins, it's with the get set, and the one is admin.cs file. Student DB entities takes the property is admins, that is here. This property, through this property we can access all the records from the database table. So make the instance here of the DB entities class, student DB entities. So student DB entities and data context equals to new, DC is for data context. Yeah, that is here. Check both fields are not empty. So user box dot text is not equals to string dot empty, and pwd box dot text is not also empty, string dot empty. String dot empty. Okay, if both fields are not empty, then take a variable that is exist user and retrieve this user from the data from database table using the context. So dc dot admins is a property through which we can access all the records from the database table. dc dot admins you can check in the student DB entities, that is admins. Through this property we can access all the records from the database table. Okay, so dc dot admins dot first or default use lambda expressions, a dot username dot equals for deep search equals user box dot text. Yeah, if exist user dot is not equals to null, if exist user dot password dot equals is password match with the password pwd box dot text file. Okay, now if both if the password is match and username is also match, then message box dot show login successfully. Oops, it's not only successfully, success only, so semicolon here, else message box dot show please try again later, try again later. Okay, so save this file and run this. Change the password characters, that is password character. Okay, save this file. Yeah, username is admin and password is also admin. Yeah, login success. Change the username. It's not effect because a username is retrieved only, does not check with the text box. Only password check with the in the if condition. So change in the password, then show the error message. Change in passwords. Yeah, try again later. Okay, this is here. Only changes in the passwords, then try again later message is displayed on the screen. So thank you very much for watching this video.